Pause. Clap your hands from bottom to top 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, children. Okay, one more time. Raise your 2 hands. Let's take practice first. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, your classmate will be joining with us. Okay, come here. Okay, your cousin will join.
Where's Julian?
Okay, ready. Okay, raise your 2 hands. Raise your 2 hands. Okay, I just want you to know, if you will not dance this dance, your mommy or your daddy will pay the balance bill of Raytan later. Or else, your mommy and your daddy will dance here in front later. Do you want to see your mommy and your daddy dance? No? Why? Okay, everybody, raise your 2 hands. Raise your 2 hands, hands up. And close open, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 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 clap. Very good, children. That's what we call chicken dance. Alright, everyone, let's dance it with the music. Ready, raise your 2 hands. Hep, hep! Parang nalungkot sila sa hooray. Okay, ready. I'm not ready.
Wait, where's Julian?
Okay. Raise your 2 hands. Remember, if you will not dance, your mommy or your daddy will pay the balance bill later. Ready. Ready, and raise your 2 hands. And ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower. Yes. Wait. Okay, come here. Let's join. Very good. Ganun dapat yung mga bata, no? Nakakuha. Okay, this time. Okay, everybody raise your 2 hands. Yun. Ayusin mo yung nasa likod, di sila nakikita. Arrange mo sila. Mukhang mababait itong mga bata to, no? Hep, hep! Diba? Okay, raise your 2 hands. Ready? Okay na, arm? Okay, raise your 2 hands. Ready, and...
Look here.
And... 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower! Very good, children! Okay, wait. This time, for our first game, okay, can you get your mommy and your daddy now? Bring her at the center. Go, 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 faster. Bring your mommy and your daddy at the center. Go, 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 faster. Mommy, daddy at the center. Your auntie, your kuya, join them at the center. Okay, may I request all the adults, all the mommy and daddy to join me here at the center po. All of you, please. Let's take picture first with the adults. Everybody, please, all the adults.